Hey, what's up, YouTube? Mr. Uzak here. Today we're gonna unbox a new laptop, Dell 2023 2023 new Dell laptop. Let's unbox it. Let's go. Overall, when I look for a new laptop, I look for its RAM speed. So this one has 16 GB, and I also go for much larger hard drive disk space. Though it's a no-brainer, you can buy an external hard drive or phantom drive of any capacity. So that's a charging port. Nice little charging port there. This is my first time trying Dell laptop, not an endorsement. I bought it. So they have a manual. The overall feel is good, is great. It's not super light, but not heavy also. With other laptops, I had the problem of the part that holds the screen and the base coming off. I guess it won't be that won't be the case with this one. It feels nice. Let's see how the typing feels. It's kind of good. Overall feel is great. Intel processor. Overall nice, okay laptop for office work, for the daily uses, for internet browsing, gaming, sending emails.